Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys if it is worth it to restock the shop at the top of the beanstalk using Sheckles. So if you talk to the giant, you're going to select what you're selling, right? And then as you can see, for instance, the shop resets in an hour and the beanstalk is going to decay in like 15 minutes. So you'll only have 15 minutes to shop. I think it is worth it, especially if you have a lot of Sheckles, to restock. I usually restock to the point where there's like trillions that I have to pay. So I'm still just going to restock here. And I usually go for the sprout egg and the friendship one. I go for the skyroot chest. That's what I usually go for when I restock these. Then I'm just going to select restock again. And then here I'm just going to scroll down again and then see if there's anything that I want to purchase. Okay, again. Then I'm just going to restock it again. And I'm going to basically restock it until, again, trillions. I'm just going to purchase this because it's just so cute. Here I'm just scrolling down between main and friendship. Make sure you do that. Let's purchase this because it's cute as well. The scary chest is the most important one for me right now because I don't have the griffin yet and the event is ending in like days. So I'm just going to focus on that. There we go. So yeah, that is basically it. It is worth it if you have a lot of Sheckles. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.